Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Traverse door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit, screwdrivers, and a small socket set. Ensure your vehicle is turned off and the windows are fully lowered. This prevents accidental power surges and provides better access. Lay down a protective cloth on your floor to prevent scratches or damage to the interior. Next, locate all visible screws. Typically, you'll find them in the armrest, door handle, and sometimes along the bottom edge. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to gently pry off any plastic covers, which often conceal additional screws. Once found, remove all screws and place them in a container so they don't get lost. Be gentle to avoid stripping the screw heads. Now, with all screws removed, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear clips disengaging as you work your way around. Once all clips are released, lift the entire panel upwards and away from the door frame. Be mindful of any attached wiring. Reach behind the panel to disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Before reinstalling, inspect all the clips on the back of the door panel. Replace any that are broken or missing to ensure a secure fit. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Carefully align the panel with the door frame, making sure the top edge seats correctly. Then, firmly press around the edges to engage all the clips. Finally, reinsert all screws and covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.